Hello friends, here I just saw the how can we use float data type here. So for that you can I can store the fractional number from 3.4 e 0388 to 3.4 e plus 038. That means minus 038 to plus 038. This is the, and we just use the float data in by using f. Here when we use the long data type we just use L, and when we use the float data type we just use f. Example, we just this is the total example here, and this is the total output here, and just write it here. Float to my number is equal to 5.75 f. This is for declaring variable for value, and this is system.out.println for required for our display purpose. So for that we just use it, and I just again I just go here and I just create intelligent ID here. So I just press here, and after that I just create a Java file here. I just give the file name, and I just set the folder also. So I just give the file name with program 10, and after that I just finish it here, and after that I just create a new file here. So here it may take some time, but now it is opening very fast. So here you can just press next, and you may close it. So I just press next, and I just close it. I just press on src, and I just create a new class, that is our program. I just give the name is program 10. You give any class name, it's up to you, but make sure that the class name and the file name should be same. And here you can see that I just file name. After creating class, I just declare a main method here. I just for that I just write public static void main string args here, and after that I just write the float my number is equals to this one, and as a printing function system.out.println. So I'll just write float my number is equals to 5.59, and f. Make sure that when you use the float data you must use the f at the last, at the value portion. And after that just see that this is the system.out.println. I just write my number here, and I just save it here. I just zoom it so that you can see how it can work here. So for that we just use it, and after that we just see the program here. I just compile it by using Control Shift Enter, as Control Shift F9, and after that I just after compiling I just go for the run. So for that running we just use Control Shift F10 here. So after the press, after running is complete, it can show the output. So output will be showing here. You can see that the output will be 5.89 here. I just zoom it so that you can see it, how you can see here. And after that we just see here, and this is the total program here, and after that we just this is the class name, and this is the total file name here, and this is the main method here, and after that we just see it one by one again, and this I just write it here so that it may not make any confusion. So I just write it that is this is the main method here, and this is the float data here. So this is the declare the variable for value. So I just write it here with value, because here variable is present and value also present, and this one is for printing purpose. So for that I just write it here for printing purpose, and for print display value here, and after that I just right, 5.89 f here. F is basically for plotting the data here, and my number is our user defined variable. Float is a data type, and it is used for our printing purpose. System.out.println, and my number is for display the value here, because it can store variable. The value will store variable.